how to use this website 3D Mapper to get a 3D model of any area of interest in any place in the world. That's what we are going to discover in this tutorial. Welcome to GeoCarto, a channel dedicated to GIS, cartography and geoscience. So subscribe if you want to get more tutorials. So we are going to use this website called 3D Mapper. You can go to 3dmapper.com or you can just click on the website in the description below. So to use this website to create our 3D model, we will just click on create 3D map. So this website is not for free, but we are going to tweak it and we are going to use it to get our 3D model for free. So after clicking on create map, you will be redirected to this base map where you can zoom in and zoom out and look for your area of interest. For me, I'm going to go to Europe here next to Switzerland. So for me, I'm going to create a 3D model for this area. Here you can choose which type of base map you want for your 3D model. You have only two choices. Unfortunately, other base maps are for the paid version. So if you want to get them, you need to buy credits. So we'll just use this OpenStreetMap. So after choosing your area of interest, the only thing that you need to do is just click on create 3D map. And then you should wait for a couple of minutes and then you will get your model. So here we go, we got our model. You can play with it and see it from different angles. Here you can play with different type of parameters. For example, the marker. You can put a marker on the model. For the water, you can play with it like this. For example, you can choose which kind of look is most suited for your model. Here you can play with the lights. Here you can also play with texture, the edges. So for example, you can change these layers, these geological layers. For example, you can try this one. I think the best look is for me is this one. It looks more realistic. So for the background, you can change the color of the sky. For example, you can take this one, or if you want a transparent background, which is the perfect choice, but we cannot export this model with the transparent background because we don't have the paid version. So I will just keep the default one. So if you want now to import your model as an image, just click on snapshots and you will get your model as an image. If the snapshot button doesn't work, you can simply just take a snapshot of your screen and then take it to your favorite software for editing photos, for example Photoshop. You can, for example, eliminate the background. You can then play with your model whenever you want. So at the end, this is the easiest way to get a 3D model of any area in the world. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you want more tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and see you in the next tutorial.